Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back with a special stretch called the bridge pose, which also increases your energy for your entire body. This is what you do. You lay down, and then you raise your hip as high as possible with your two fists. You put it underneath, and then you put your weight on it. You hold this position for 30 seconds, breathe in and breathe out. Once you're ready for the pop, to pop your lower back, you push your two fists towards your butt and you lower your hip like so. And that's how you pop the lower back with the bridge pose. Alright, talk with your physician, chiropractor, or doctor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.